Each year, 17.6 billion pounds of plastics and 1.3 million gallons of oil and trash are poured into the water. And at this rate, by 2050, half of the population will be unable to find safe drinking water. Filt and Yarn use harvested rainwater. We are able to successfully conserve up to millions of liters. All the excess waste materials from our production are not thrown into any water bodies. Instead, we collect them and upcycle the waste into our new innovation. Each day, 8 million CO2 emissions are recorded, a major factor for air pollution and climate change. We, on the other hand, all our products are naturally dried. We have installed solar panels throughout and aim to be the first energy efficient company industry in Nepal. As the timber and paper industry keeps growing, we lose 15 billion trees worldwide. At this rate, we might no longer have a rainforest in the next 80 years. We recommend supporting green companies for replaceable decors. Filt and Yarn create amazing decors that are not only eye-catching but also great for the environment. Filt and Yarn have for years supported a local manufacturing company that recycles the paper and creates beautiful cards. Every gift card received from our company attached to your order is made out of 100% recycled paper, not only contributing to the planet but also helping in building a sustainable community and reinforcing job opportunities for Nepalese society.